Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, my dear friends. And today I am very happy to tell you that today is a very special day for we all Chhattisgarhia people because today is a first festival of our Chhattisgarh called Hareli. So, what is the meaning of Hareli? Hareli, that means greenery. So, this festival is dedicated to our agriculture, our nature, and our pet animals. So what happened in this festival, let me tell you in a brief explanation. Okay, so in this special occasion, what we do, it's I already told you that this occasion is dedicated to our field, our farming, agriculture. So you can also see me that I am right now I am in my field to look after my field, that there is any cow grazing or not. So there is no any cow, but I am also alone here. So I feel that I have to make a video for you lovely guys. So what happened in Hareli? In Hareli we worship agriculture tools which is made by iron. Most probably most of the time it's made by iron. What we do, we thoroughly wash all the equipment, all the all the ironic equipment, and we worship these tools, and we put tilak also it and we make some balls, wheat flour balls, and put some salt inside and feed the cows and worship the cows also, and and we pray to God that all the cows will be happy, be safe, without any wound. This is our culture. And what happened, we say that in this special occasion we make a special food called chila roti. So we offer to the god, and instead of doing all this thing, we make it, we take it to our field, feed them, take it to our field, and offering this chila roti to our field, and pray to God that all the villagers were very happy, all the villagers will very happy, and our crop will increase compare than last time, and our crop will improve compare than last time. Along with all these things, we the people of Chhattisgarh also try to make our nature beautiful by planting at least one tree each. In this special festival, we try to plant at least one tree so that our nature become very beautiful. And along with this festival is also dedicated to our sports. Why? Because our ancestor developed many sports like danda pichranga, fugdi, kabaddi, kho, and most importantly gedi climbing, gedi chadna. So this is the most important games were developed by our ancestor to make us physically strong. You can understand that how much power we need to become a farmer. A farmer, if they are not physically, mentally healthful, so you can't think about to becoming a farmer. because it is very important. If we are physically, if we will be physically strong, then it's easy to us to survive in this situation, like seeding crops, cutting crops and all these things. So this is our tradition, this is our Chhattisgarhia tradition. So we all Chhattisgarhia are very happy, and I wish you all the people, not only Chhattisgarhia people, but for the our Indian people, that happy Hareli to all of you from my side. It is a very special day, so I just want to say you, not only Chhattisgarhia people, but who are watching or listening me from any other state, if it is possible for you, plant at least one tree in your country or village, or where are you from, so your upcoming ancestor, your upcoming generation can thank you to doing all these things, because our nature is very important. This is called neem leaf. We break small branches of leaf and hang it to our entrance, our home entrance, and we believe it that it keep away the germs and negativity. So we used to hang it in our entrance of home, and it is very auspicious for our Chhattisgarhia. So in this day, I already mentioned that especially we Chhattisgarhia made a chila roti, and having a chila roti very joyfully. So this is about our culture that I try to explain myself. I know I feel that I can't explain properly because my English is not that good, because I am just trying to speaking English last 2 months I think. So it is very difficult for me to explain each and everything and a very what can I say, flawlessly without any mistake. It's a very difficult for me, but somehow I try to explain my culture, I try to explain my first festival Hareli. So how did you find our culture? If you understand little bit, so how did you find our culture? Please tell me, please tell me and let me in the comment box. And Jai Hind, Jai Chhattisgarh, happy Hareli to all.